Good morning, dear teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to present before you the human excretory system, in which I am going to talk about kidneys. The garbage needs to be disposed of to remain disease free. Similarly, we need to dispose of the undigested part of the food that we eat, that is called as waste, through the excretion process in order to remain disease free from harmful diseases. The garbage is disposed of automatically. Similarly, the waste food, that is the undigested part of the food, is disposed automatically when it goes to our body. The excretory system, especially the kidneys, dispose the undigested part of the food. Now let us discuss about the types of waste secreted from our body. There are two types of waste. First is nitrogenous waste. It includes the urea, ammonia and uric acid produced in human beings. Next is the non-nitrogenous waste. It includes the gaseous waste material of carbon dioxide, liquid waste material, that is the urine and sweat, and solid waste materials, that is the unabsorbed food, fibers and salt. Now let us discuss about the different ways of excretion in humans. There are different organs. First one is lungs. The lungs help in removing carbon dioxide and water in the form of water vapor from the body. The next is skin. Sweat glands are present in the skin of humans. These glands help in removing excess water along with urea, dissolved salts and other wastes which come out of the body as sweat. When the sweat evaporates, the body cools down. This way it helps in regulating the body temperature. Next is digestion. It involves the excretion of undigested waste from the body through the anus. The next is kidneys. The kidneys help in the removal of toxic substances and nitrogenous substances from the body in the form of urine. The next is liver. It helps in the conversion of amino acids to urea. The urea is then transferred to kidneys, which excrete urea as urine. Liver also helps in the elimination of drugs and extra vitamins and pigments. The human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, two ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Now let us discuss about kidneys in detail. The kidneys are the main part of the excretory system. These are bean-shaped reddish-brown organs that lie in the abdominal cavity, one on either side of the vertebral column. The right kidney is located slightly lower than the left one. Each of the kidney weighs about 150 grams. The length of both the kidneys is about 10 centimeters. A kidney has two regions. One is external and one is internal. The internal region is made up of an outer dark cortex and an inner light medulla. The medulla is made up of conical shaped tissue. These conical projections are known as renal papillae. Now let us discuss about the nephron. As we all know that the kidneys are made up of millions of nephrons which are surrounded by a network of capillaries. The nephrons are the structural and functional units of kidneys. They are also known as the filtering units of kidneys. Each nephron starts with a cup-like Bowman's capsule. This capsule has a long, convoluted or twisted tubule behind. The tubule opens into collecting duct that further opens into the ureters. Now let us discuss about the parts of nephron. The first part is glomerulus. It is a group of capillaries in a tight ball at end of nephron, where substances filter out blood and enter nephron as filtrate. The second one is Bowman's capsule. It is a cup-shaped structure that surrounds the glomerulus and receives filtrate from blood. Now let us discuss about the functions of kidneys in excretory system. There are total 6 functions. The first one is that kidneys help in the removal of toxic substances and nitrogenous wastes from the body. The second one is that kidneys remove excessive water, soluble sodium salts, and other dissolved wastes from the body in the form of urine. Thus, they maintain balance of water in the body. The third one is the kidneys assist in regulating the chemical levels in blood. The fourth one is kidneys help to regulate the blood pressure of the body. The fifth one is nephrons filter and purify the blood. The last and the sixth one is kidneys reabsorb useful substances like glucose, sodium and potassium ions that the body requires and puts it back into the blood. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home and stay safe.